Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the merino wool shirt from a Finnish company called Formal Friday. I was sent this shirt to review by Formal Friday, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. On Formal Friday's website, there is a really great range of colours and weights available for these merino wool t-shirts. The one I have here is the mid-weight in Army, which is a dark green olive colour. It's 17.5 micron and 156 GSM weight, so it's excellent in summer and even as a base layer. They also do make a heavyweight version of their shirts, and those are 195 GSM and are great for winter and also great for layering. The size I have is the size small, and initially when I got it I was worried it might be a bit too big. As you can see here, this is how it looks unwashed out of the box, and this is after a regular wash in the washing machine. The merino shirts from Formal Friday are designed to shrink about a size after washing. So after washing it fits me very nicely, and especially around the arms there's no flaring, which is really great. The merino wool itself is of very high quality and doesn't itch at all. However, I did feel some slight itchiness from the tag which is sewn onto the back of the neck, and a little bit from the tag which is on the inner left side of the shirt. That's my only real complaint about this shirt. Whereas most other companies print the sizing information and the tag information onto the back of the shirt as a soft transfer. Overall, a really nice and excellent fitting merino wool t-shirt, and I'd definitely recommend them if you're looking to buy a merino wool garment. They are of very high quality and will last for a very long time with proper care. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what is your favorite merino wool t-shirt, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.